Complimenting can be seen as flattery and self-serving. There are three ways that have been discussed in this book, and it says the first way is to go through a grapevine, that you compliment someone through their close aides and acquaintances, and it reaches them, and that gives them a good feeling without you being put in a self-serving picture. Second is that in a subtle manner that you compliment them. Like, for example, you're discussing something and you should say, or you could say that you are knowledgeable, you might have noticed it, but it just missed my observation. That is a very subtle kind of complimenting. And third is the killer compliment, and that is about very specifically about a physical feature of a person, but that has to be done in private, not in public, because people around would then have the inferiority complex if you do it in public. And that is about, for example, you would on the dot eye to eye, and you would say that you have this glint in your eyes, or your hair are quite, I find it quite elegant. And that, again, has to be honest. And of course, complimenting is an art. And the fourth thing that is a bonus point over here that I want to mention, and that is whenever there's a performance or the person has delivered a presentation or a speech or whatever, compliment them right there on the spot with no time wasted. Four complimenting ways, all in this book. Get this book today. The link will be there in the description. And this is a great book. This can actually improve your relationships on the go with your clients, with your loved ones, with your social circles, with your friends, anyone that you come across. Have a great day. Bye bye.